My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing on a sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my Manstagram, all in the description below, and it'll be right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. So, got two reviews for you today. Early reviews. Both these drop in a couple days, so it's just a small early review. But just heard about it, actually. Both shoes, I didn't even think about it. I heard about them yesterday, but I didn't want to do a review because only one shoe was available. So I wanted to wait till I was able to get both shoes so I could do like a double review in the video. So in the same video, so I didn't have to make two separate videos. So all right, on my way to the spot so we can do this review, and I'll be back after that so I can give y'all some proper information about the shoes that you see. So stay tuned, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, as you can see, we got this white Kobe box. You see the scales right there. You see the logo right there in gold. Like I said, if you look closer, you really can see the scales, like the snake scales on the box. I do like that. I like this box a lot, to be honest with you. Flip it over, turn around. Let's get to the, you see the gold Kobe logo, the accent right there. More scales. And we got Air Force One Low Retro QS QB Quick Strike Kobe Bryant. This is a size 10.5, so it's not my personal pair, but I just definitely wanted y'all to get a look at this. Let's open it up. See the inside wrapping paper right there, scaly white paper with the Kobe logo all over it. Flip this up. Boom. There we go. More of that Kobe logo. Here we go. Let's get the shoe. Let's unwrap them. I'm not gonna lie. They clean. These white ones clean, but let me get them both up and set up everything so you can truly see it. All right, put this all away. Boom. All right, set this box back up, and boom. All right, there go one. Straighten this out. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Look at this beautiful shoe. Look at that. Number 8 on the back right there. Got the Kobe logo right there. Swoosh is yellow and purple under it. Look at that. White laces. Yellow outer sole. It's just a good shoe. Come with 2 extra laces. Some yellow ones and some purple laces. I do like that. Purple, another little small purple swoosh right there. There go logo again, and on this shoe you have the Kobe logo in purple on the back, not the number. So I mean, I like it. I mean, I like the yellow ones. The yellow ones are clean. I won't lie. These are clean. These are clean. Let me move this out of the way. Now, let me get these out of the way. And those are the homes, by the way. Now these ones, same white box, same Kobe signature in the centers, same scales on the box. This one still got the Kobe signature right there. These one read Air Force One Low Retro QS KB. This is a size 9. It's a personal pair, but I don't think I'm gonna get it. Paper's still the same. Oh, by the way, QS stands for Quick Strike. KB, of course, Kobe Bryant. You should already know that. And yeah, okay, let's get to these ones. I didn't even know about the black ones. I only know about the white ones. So this really determines if I'm gonna get or not, because I gotta get both. I can't just get one. So all right, put this in, boom. And right off back, I don't like them. I'm just gonna be real with y'all. I don't like them. I do not like how his logos is all. It looks tacky. I'm not gonna lie. It looks like something a child will wear. You see his logos embroidered all over it. 8 still on the back. Swoosh is yellow with purple underneath. All black shoe. Black midsole with air and yellow. Yellow outer sole. This comes with 2 laces also. Purple and yellow. Of course, Lakers. Black laces. On this one, yes, again, his logo on the back in purple. I just don't like black Air Forces, and I don't like the logos all over this shoe. I just don't know why they did that. They could have made this, kept this a plain black Air Force. Let's put them side by side. Side-by-side comparison. So you can see it. Which one y'all think is better? Me, personally, the white is a runaway. But, yeah. Y'all like it. I love it. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Yo. Okay, we back. Oh, yeah. So, hope y'all enjoyed that little detailed look at the Kobe Air Force One home and away. I guess that's what they going for. I mean, going by. Excuse me. I got some information for y'all. Hold on. Let me pull up. I didn't even have it ready, prepared. Let's see. Hold on. Give me 1 second, everybody. Let me see. Kobe Air Force One. Okay. What y'all think about it? Y'all like them? Was they? I'm not gonna lie. I'm not feeling the black ones at all. I think I said that during the review, but I'm not really feeling them. Hold up. Wait, where I see? I want to find some information for both of them, not just one. See, that's the away ones. Okay, I'll give you some information about the away ones, then I'll give y'all some information about the home ones. All right, so you can read along with me if you want. I will have this up next to me in 2, 1. Boom, it should be up right now. So this is off of nicekicks.com. Shout out to nicekicks.com. It reads, Nike continues to celebrate the Black Mama's legacy as another Kobe Bryant Air Force One is on the way with the rumored Kobe Bryant Nike Air Force One Low Lakers away colorway. In addition to the white Kobe Bryant Nike Air Force One Low releasing this summer, the brand will also release a black version this holiday season. The colorway arrives in a predominantly black leather upper, a varsity maize outsole, swoosh, and heel. Varsity purple is found on the tongue, tag, and heel branding, as well as the swoosh outline. The signature Kobe Shield logo will be embroidered across the entire upper. The Kobe Bryant Nike Air Force One Low Lakers Away releases holiday 2024 for $150 via sneakers and selected retailers. So yeah, so it's $150. And if I'm not mistaken, these release the 6th, if I'm not mistaken. So there goes some more images. Boom. Give you that. I'm 8 on the back, as always. Like I said, I just don't like the Kobe logos all over the shoe. But we'll talk about that in a second. Boom. Okay, all right, that's enough of that. Now let me go get you some information about the home, which I have some right here. That was nice kicks, right? Yeah, that was nice kicks. All right, so this is Kicks on Fire, and once again, it will be up next to me, so you can read along. Be up in 2, 1. Should be up right now. So shout out to Kicks on Fire this time, and it reads: the Kobe Bryant Nike Air Force One Low is celebrated. Collaboration that merges the legacy of an NBA icon with an iconic sneaker silhouette. Kobe Bryant, known for his relentless work ethic and impressive achievements on the basketball court, left an mark on the sports world. This collaboration with Nike particularly utilizes the Air Force One Low model, showcases the Black Mamba's influence beyond just the game. The design elements often incorporate Bryant's signature colors and personal logos, paying homage to his career while creating a shoe that seamlessly blends performance and style. Such collaborations are treasured by sneaker enthusiasts and basketball fans alike, serving as both a fashionable piece of sports history and a testament to Bryant's lasting impact. And like I said, December the 6th, yeah, and I think these are going to be, I don't see a price. Oh, no, is it $115? No, that's not it. See, nigga, boom. They didn't even say the price. It's weird. Oh, you know what? It does say read more. There we go. Oh, here we go. All right. Nike Air Force One itself is a storied history. It was launched in 1982 and quickly became a cultural staple. This Kobe Bryant edition elevates the classic design, infusing with his elements that reflects Bryant's competitive spirit and his Los Angeles Lakers heritage. Limited edition releases often drive high anticipation and high demand. It doesn't really say enough. It's not too much information. No, not really too much information. I didn't write like this website like that. But we saw the shoes. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. They cop a drop for y'all. I'm gonna be real with y'all. The black ones is definitely a drop for me. But I like when shoes come out in packs, and I'm gonna consider this a pack. I like to have both of them. So I'm thinking I'm probably just going to not get the white ones either, because I don't want the black ones. And I don't want to buy the black ones just because I'm getting the white ones. Plus, Christmas is coming around. I got to get my son stuff. I just don't need this. Just like I didn't need the phone positives. I passed on the phone positives, even though I do like the phone positives a lot. But y'all let me know in the comments below. Cop a drop for y'all. Would y'all pick it up? Y'all like the home or the weight? Y'all like both? Y'all like one? Let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.